Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Brent from Brent Speed. If you're new to this channel, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify to stay up to date. If you've been around for a long time, you know what's getting ready to happen. It's another dyno. Today we have a 2020 Mustang Roush Supercharged, 4,000 miles on this car already. It's a manual transmission. It's a Phase 2 Roush Supercharger kit. We're gonna go take a closer look. And don't forget, in that description, I'll put a link to this so you can read a little bit more about it. Let's go check it out. All right, I have Doug with me here in a second. We're gonna go down and take a little bit of a closer look. We have a current client. We built another Mustang for him. He called and said, hey, I just bought a 2020 Mustang. I wanna get supercharged. So we did the Roush Phase 2 Supercharger. Because at no extra charge, you get the Roush 3-year, 36,000 mile drivetrain warranty. Doug, come down and take a look. It's a TVS 2650, flywheel rated, 750 horsepower. Of course, you get everything like the fuel injectors, the larger throttle body, the air induction system. But besides this car is bone stock plus a Borla, I believe it's an Attack catback system. So manual transmission, 93 octane. We're going to see what it makes. We're going to be targeting over 600 roll horsepower. It's a really easy way to buy a new Mustang, put on a supercharger, make a lot of torque, a lot of roll horsepower. You don't have to worry about the warranty because it's included with the kit. So check out this dyno pull. Hey, something I forgot to mention, and I'll put a link at the end of this, so stick around. But I have the same supercharger in my 19 GT drop top. It was a cool video where we bought a car off Carvana to see what would one of these kits do. On pretty much a stock car, I am running headers, but it's an auto and it ran 10s in the quarter mile. So stick around, I'll put a link to that. But this one right here, 645 roll horsepower, about 7,300 RPM, Dynojet rated SAE. Killer torque, 557, peaking at 4,500, and right when I went wide open throttle, we're over 500 torque. So I went wide open like right before 3,000, we're 500. And it hangs in there pretty much all the way to redline. So let's take one more look at this car. This is gonna be a short video today. So we got a 2020 GT. This supercharger is available if you have an 18 to present Mustang. This one's a manual, mine's an auto, but it's a pretty sweet setup. You can bolt it on, a stock car, got to run premium fuel, load the Roush calibration on it, and make really good power. And hey, my car ran 10s, so you can't complain about that. Stick around and watch that video. Doug, one more time, the engine compartment, let's take a look. Again, TVS 2650 supercharger, front inlet, and that's the supercharger system right there. It's a complete intercooled setup. So hey, if you have any questions, please leave a comment. I'm happy to answer. Again, the description, I'll put a link to this, read a little bit more about it, and then you can email quote@brentspeed.com and say, hey, how much did it cost to get my Mustang built? Thanks for watching. Watch that video right here.